Hi everyone, welcome to Self MBA, Startup MBA. In this video, we will learn, what is e-Rupee, CBDC, and how is it going to change India.
What you will learn in this video.
We will learn in this video. What exactly is e-Rupee? What is the objective of releasing it? How is e-Rupee different from physical currency? What are the types of CBDC, central bank digital currency? How will e-Rupee help? What are the advantages of e-Rupee, CBDC? How is CBDC different from UPI? Already India has taken prominent position on the global fintech stage. The most critical reason for launching a digital rupee by the RBI is to push India forward in the virtual currency race. India wants to reduce its demand for physical cash. India's e-Rupee is the answer.
When was it launched?
India's central bank, the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, launched its CBDC or digital rupee, e-Rupee, on December 1, 2022. It is an electronic version of cash and will be primarily meant for retail transactions.
Where all it's introduced.
This e-Rupee is the central bank digital currency, CBDC, of India. This is launched in 4 metro cities of India: Bengaluru, Delhi, Mumbai, and Bhubaneswar. On launch, RBI would conduct pilot launch and testing with CUG, closed user group.
What exactly is e-Rupee?
It's simply a digital form of currency, the Indian rupee that is already in use. You don't have to open a bank account to transact with a digital rupee.
What is the objective of releasing it?
The main intention is that the central bank wants to ban the practice of cryptocurrencies. Basically, the e-Rupee should be freely convertible against the physical currency that is already in circulation.
How is e-Rupee different from physical currency?
You see, the physical currency can be damaged, but the e-Rupee is expected to have infinite life.
What are the types of CBDC?
It has 2 forms, retail, CBDCR or e-Rupee R, and wholesale, CBDCW or e-Rupee W.
How will e-Rupee help?
The e-Rupee R is in the form of a digital token that represents legal tender. It is being issued in the same denominations as the paper currency and coins. Users will be able to transact with e-Rupee through a digital wallet offered by the participating banks. Transactions can be both person-to-person, peer-to-peer, and person-to-merchant, P2M. The e-Rupee offers features of physical cash like trust, safety, and settlement finality. Another interesting fact about it is, the CBDC will not earn any interest and can be converted to other forms of money, like deposits with banks.
What are the advantages of e-Rupee?
Indian buyers can pay without a middleman. It offers real-time account settlements, no risk of volatility, as this is backed by RBI. Unlike physical currency, the e-Rupee will be mobile forever. Blockchain technology will also enable real-time tracking and ledger maintenance. RBI digital rupee will be free from tax regulation.
How is CBDC different from UPI?
As we know, already UPI as one digital payment system is well accepted in India. The UPI is a platform that facilitates banking transactions. So, UPI involves the intermediation of the bank. Whereas CBDC will not have an intermediator. When we use an UPI app, our bank account gets debited, and money gets transferred to the recipient's bank. Just like physical currency, you can draw 100 Indian rupees from bank, your account, and keep it in the wallet/purse. In CBDC, very similarly, you will draw the digital currency and keep it in your wallet on your mobile. One important thing to note here is, the CBDC is a legal tender money backed by the RBI, very similar to physical cash, but the UPI payments, it must be linked with bank accounts. In UPI digital payments and transactions, banks have their own individual handler, whereas in digital rupee or CBDC is operated by the RBI, thus transactions are instant and direct.
Can CBDC ensure anonymity?
One of the good properties of the physical cash is its anonymity. The transactions through physical cash enable privacy. You see, only the parties involved have the information of that transaction. Very similarly, the CBDC ensures that the money movement happens to wallets of two people. Banks or any other intermediary won't come to know about it.
What are the applications of CBDC?
In coming days, it is possible that government can transfer specific CBDC number of certain subsidies, like LPG, directly to consumer wallet. These CBDC can be used only for certain cases like LPG purchase, or biofertilizer/biopesticide purchase by farmer.
How is CBDC, ERP, different from cryptocurrency?
A CBDC is a legal tender issued by a central bank in a digital form. It is same as physical currency, just the form is different, i.e., electronic. The CBDC is the digital avatar of paper currency issued by central banks, RBI, and should be exchangeable with cash. CBDC cannot be compared to cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have no issuer. Unlike cryptocurrencies, a CBDC isn't a commodity or claims on commodities or digital assets. India spends nearly 5,000 crore INR to printing its money, physical currency. The e-rupee cuts all kinds of printing of physical currency, storage, transportation, replacement, and settlement cost. The more and more use of CBDC will boost India's digital economy. Hope you liked Imtasia TV YouTube channel and brand new series. Watch this series to become a self-made MBA. Learn from home.
Please like, share, subscribe, and forward. Thank you.